Bottom navigation bar is a small menu bar that appears at the bottom of the app. It's really helpful to provide navigation between different most used pages within the app. In this tutorial, we'll learn some simple steps on how to add a bottom navigation bar in your mobile app. To add bottom navigation bar, you'll have to enable it from Integration Modules. In Integration Modules, you'll find the bottom navigation module. Enable the module to use in your app. After that, you'll find the bottom navigation in your side menu. Just click on it. Now you can configure the bottom navigation of the app. You can change the background color and items color from here as you need to adjust with your theme. Finally, let's add the navigation items and the corresponding URL to load in the app on clicking the navigation items. Now let's save the changes and build the app. Our app building is completed, and let's test the app. Great, all the changes are working in the app, and these were the simple steps for you to add bottom navigation bar in your app in Appilix.